Thank you, Chairperson sir, for allowing me to talk on the demand for grants for railways for the year 2025-26. We all know that railways plays a crucial role in developing our nation. But nowadays, when we look at the railways, the first thing that comes to our mind is the rail accidents that are happening. According to NCRB data, it says that in the past 10 years, more than 2.6 lakh people have died, and this is categorized into different heads. There have been collision of trains, derailment of rails, people falling from running rails, and people being run over by trains. So majority of the deaths are happening because people are being either run over by trains or they are falling from trains. However, we do not know, there is no report as to whether these are suicides or these are accident deaths. So I request the government to conduct a detailed study, detailed report to ensure that these accident deaths are reduced. When it comes to collision and derailment of trains, more than 700 deaths and more than 2,000 injuries have happened in the past 10 years. So for this, I request the central government to also look into this. Kavach is being brought in to ensure that these collisions and derailments do not happen. But however, Kavach is being implemented at a very slow rate. Out of the 68,000 rail kilometer line that is there in our country, only about 3,700 kilometer rail has been implemented by Kavach. So I hope that this accident death issue is sorted by the central government quickly. Along with this, not only Kavach system, sir, even the redevelopment of stations under Amrit Bharat is happening at a very slow rate. In the year 2024-25, more than 450 stations were supposed to be developed. However, only one station has been developed, only one, the target has been reached. Along with that, sir, RUBs that are being constructed by the government are of very poor quality. When the monsoon starts, when the rain starts, that time there's a lot of flooding happening in the RUB, sir. Even the security protocols at railway stations aren't at the level they are supposed to be, sir. So I request the government to also increase the security to ensure safety and security of our passengers, sir. When it comes to overcrowding of train stations, we have all seen recently in Delhi there was a stampede which has caused more than 18 deaths, sir. So I hope that the government looks into this and overcrowding is also reduced. Sir, just give me 1 minute, sir. This is my maiden speech. When it comes to my constituency, sir, Bidar is being developed as a Amrit Bharat station. So I request even Bhalki and Kamalnagar stations to be taken up in the next phase, sir. Bidar is the farthest constituency away from the state capital of Karnataka. Capital of Karnataka, which is Bengaluru, sir, and it is quite farther away from Delhi also. So the connectivity to both state capital and national capital is necessary, sir. Bidar-Bangalore train has been getting overcrowded since there are only 22 bogies, sir. There is a provision to add 2 more bogies and make it 24 bogies, sir, which I request the government to do so that the overcrowding reduces and the passengers are able to go better, sir. Dakshin Express stops at Hyderabad, sir. If this is extended to Bidar, then this will also enhance connectivity to Delhi, sir. Along with that, sir, one of the major demands of our constituency is Vande Bharat train from Bidar to Bangalore, sir. As I've told, it's the farthest constituency away from our state capital, sir. Currently, our rail lines are equipped to run at 110 kilometers per hour. But to go at Vande Bharat pace, we need to equip our rail lines to go to 130 kilometers per hour, sir. So I request the government to upgrade our rail lines. The electrification process to Gulbarga is also underway, sir. So if these track lines are equipped, then definitely Vande Bharat can start from Bidar, sir. Sir, along with that, another Taluka Chinchodi is a very backward region, sir. There's a final location survey for Tandur cement cluster.
Please conclude.
Sir, just 30 seconds, sir, 30 seconds. Final location survey for Tandur cement cluster in Zairabad railway line. If it is rerouted via Taluka Chinchodi, sir, this will help for the development of this region, sir. Khanapur pit line has been constructed, but passenger trains aren't being functioning, sir. This should also be developed as a junction to ease traffic at Bidar junction, sir. Sir, I'll just conclude, sir. One last line, sir. One last line. Sir, media is the fourth pillar of democracy. So our media friends used to get 50% concession before COVID. Now the concession has stopped, sir. So I request the government to restart this construction, sir.
Okay,
Lastly, I would like to